Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so yesterday we talked, this daily chart, about the move back towards this this March area of 4110. You had the lows back on February the 24th down at 410175. We broke all that yesterday, did 4056. They rejected it as we got into the end of the day. They've made a higher low versus the Monday high. We traded as high as 4176. We're sitting in around 4155 right now. So I'll be very curious to see what the agenda is here for the remainder of the day. You've got the 9-day sitting in and around 4220, and you've got a pretty key area in and around this 4150, 4180, 4200 situation. So taking a look at the hourly, 4056 is your low. You can see they bounced that pretty good. The issue becomes, do we have a higher low here? Are we going to test this weekly pivot? I mentioned yesterday, we're going to deal with that this week. We're going to get a look at weekly pivot, whether it's today or some other day. I mean, you got FOMC tomorrow at 2. You got the jobs report on Friday. You have a lot of unknowns, but also volatility moments that are coming up in this tape this week. And at some point in time in these volatility moments, you're going to deal with things like weekly pivot, and how we close the week against weekly pivot is going to be pretty important as we head into the rest of the month of May. Are we going to be dealing with stuff with 42s on it primarily, or are we going to get comfortable trading down here? If the bears have a bad day, if the bulls have a bad day, if you break this low, and we looked at this yesterday on the daily, 2022 has been a consolidation. But you can see where we've come from over time. We're starting to lose that, and you're going to start to get back into, we already lost the September low, which was 4260. You start to get back into areas we were dealing with back in May of 2021, like 4029. You lose those, you're going to see some dominoes fall in the other direction. So I can't stress how important it is for the bears to continue to put the pressure on here. If they can keep rejecting these little attempts to pop the tape, they can bring this market in. The bulls, they have to take it one step at a time. Convert weekly pivot, deal with the 9-day here at 4220, try to get to the new monthly pivot there, 4281.5, one thing at a time. Into the open, we've got volume weighted average price 41.53s. Our proprietary moving average is locked up with the 5-minute mid-band and the hourly mid-band at 41.44, 41.45. So on any kind of a pullback, 45 to 50 is going to be really important. The bulls want to go ahead and get back towards the Globex high, which is up at 41.76. They want to convert that, try to convert 86. Bears want to hold serve, create some lower highs. You got 76, 73 and change, and then go ahead and you've got to convert this 45 area, this hourly mid-band back to resistance, and break the Globex low at 41.29. If you can do that, then you probably get a test of the roundie. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.